Google recently launched Antigravity, and it's the biggest shift in automation ever since Anyden. Anyden and Antigravity are kind of different because Anyden actually automates through logic, but Antigravity automates through thinking. There's a difference. Antigravity will actually replace the manual thinking part of building the nodes, connecting the branches, stuff of that sort. And the difference is that on editing, we actually need multiple nodes to build an automation. Do you understand that? HTTP node to make HTTP request, perhaps LLM node to connect a brain to it, a code node to parse it, and other stuff as well. Not only that, but for anti-gravity, you just tell it, hey, I need a workflow to convert an Instagram reel to a good LinkedIn post. It will build everything on its own. And then when you run the workflow, it will take your Instagram URL and then give you the LinkedIn post. Isn't that insane? And that's exactly what we are going to build right now. So, that is seatbelts. We are going to be building something without the help of API or any kind of credentials on anti-gravity and see if it actually works. All right, without any further ado, let's begin. So we're gonna open it. As you can see, I already have a workspace. This is called Workspace Anti-Gravity LI Agents, which is just anti-gravity LinkedIn agent. But we are going to start from 0. So let's go to Open Agent Explorer on the top right. We open Workspace, open New Workspace, and then we need to create a new folder. Uh-oh, that's not what we want. Yeah, we create a new folder. We put um, test agent. YouTube. Test agent YouTube. Okay. Now we open the editor. Open editor by clicking here. And then we create an agent. Do you know how we create agent? We do it by clicking here on this panel, this chatting panel. It's loading. Let it just load. Anti-gravity. Create agent. You know, the interesting thing is it's free. I just don't understand how it's free. Yeah, probably they're gonna bring in some token or credit system. Okay, so now it's asking for what is the agent going to do? So we paste this prompt. This agent takes an Instagram reel link from the user, extracts the transcript from the video, analyzes the content, and rewrites it into a high-performing LinkedIn post. And it does not need any APIs or credentials. We just send. All right, we got it. Now, what we have to do is go back to Agent Manager, which we have opened here. I guess, yeah. There we go. Now we are going to type in this reel to LinkedIn to run that workflow, since it has already created the workflow. Reel to LinkedIn. And for Instagram, like, let's choose an Alex Hormozy reel. Let's choose the one that has the highest amount of views, which is this one, Diarevante. Okay, copy link. What do we have here? Okay, let's paste the Instagram reel link. Enter. It has actually given us a LinkedIn post which I think is irrelevant. Yeah, it's totally not related. It's totally not related. It was unable to get the transcript. Well, as you saw, people, like it did not work. We need to give it some sort of transcript or Instagram scraper API to make it work. But anyway, I thought that would be a nice video, so I'm sharing it with you all. By the way, like, even though it didn't work, but it's still a superpower, anti-gravity. Like, can you imagine just giving it a human-like prompt and then it building all of the stuff? Anyway, with that, I'm signing out. Have a good day, you all.